Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on the Telegram app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Telegram application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your phone number and your login code. After logging into your account, you will be taken into your homepage from which you can access all of your chats. Now, if you wish to change your username, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then you will find your user ID. Just tap on your profile icon, which will take you onto your profile page. You will now find your username section underneath account. Tap on your username and you will be allowed to set your username for the Telegram app. After entering your desired username, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner and now your username will immediately be changed. You can come back to this menu as many times as you want and you can change your username on Telegram. You can also change the display name if you wish by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner and then tapping on edit name. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.